What's going on, everyone? This is my guy here once again. I am back for another food review, and it's gonna be on these Cheez-Its Atomic Cheddar flavor. Yeah, I'm doing this today. I actually got these at my school a couple days ago, and they had regular Cheez-Its and these Cheez-Its, which basically supposed to be like spicy Cheez-Its. And, well, I've had these before, not in a little while though, and so now I decided to review them because well, I just wanted something to do, and haven't even eaten them yet. Yeah, so, Atomic Cheddar, nutrition facts, serving size, 1 pouch, 100 calories, 1 gram saturated fat, 0 grams trans fat, 200 milligrams sodium, no sugar, 0 grams sugar, 2 grams protein, and a lot of ingredients. Distributed by Sunshine Biscuits, Kellogg Cheez-It, Elmhurst, Illinois. So, anyway, you just open these up then. It's got like a jalapeno pepper smell to it. And here's what it looks like. You can see it's kind of almost a little darker than the regular Cheez-It. Then it has like the little spicy pepper flavoring stuff on it. Try it out now. These are pretty darn good. Like I said, I've had them before. They're really not really that spicy. I mean, yes, it kind of is at first, but then it goes away pretty quickly. With like kind of like a jalapeno spicy flavor to it. But yeah, I think these are pretty solid. I mean, give it a 7.5 out of 10. I don't think I've actually seen this like in boxes. I've only seen these in like, these are like the only bags I've seen these flavored Cheez-Its in. Yeah. So, anyway, that's about it for now. So thank you much for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you around for more videos.